Micron topping Q4 estimates last night. Sales rising 46% thanks to the AI boom. Sales up, these things are up more than 50% in the last month. So let's not look at this down and say something's wrong. That's important. Joining us now is CNBC exclusive, Micron's Chairman and CEO, Sanjay Mehrotra. Sanjay, it's a delight to have you on the show again.
Great to be back on the show, Jim, and the team.
Okay, so first, before we get into the idea that maybe AI is overbuilt, because I know you've heard that a million times, AI was not just the theme. That wasn't the only theme last night. It seems like that you've got strong demand, mobile, PC, of course, data center, and server, also for auto. It was rather remarkable. Every one of these is hitting on all cylinders.
Jim, in March of 2024, we had told you that Micron would be one of the biggest beneficiaries of AI. Memory is central to AI. Micron delivered a stellar year in fiscal year 2025, with our annual revenue growing 50% to $37.4 billion. Of course, that was fueled by growth in AI data centers. Micron has, of course, strong position in other markets, such as mobile phone, where AI-enabled phones are requiring more memory content. And of course, with end of life of Windows 10 and broader adoption, increasing adoption of AI PCs, we are well positioned in that market as well. So yes, it's correct. From data center to edge, particularly smartphones, with Micron's strong positioning of product portfolio and the market trends really evolving nicely across the board with AI as the driver of our growth, we are excited about the opportunities ahead. We have guided to our first fiscal quarter to be a record revenue quarter as well as a record EPS quarter.
So what also I think is astonishing for people who are close followers of Micron, as you and I both know, is that the gross margins are extraordinary for almost every product line. It's almost as if everybody is short product or no one else has what you have. That was, both of them came up last night.
Yes, we have definitely driven our success here and growing momentum as we are into our fiscal year 26 now through our technology leadership, most comprehensive and best positioned product portfolio in the history of the company, driving the mix of our product sales toward higher value solutions, and of course, leveraging the industry demand supply environment, healthy demand supply environment, and executing well on our cost reductions as well. This has resulted in healthy profitability. As we look ahead, we see healthy demand supply environment in calendar year 26 as well for the industry, with growing momentum in AI data centers and broadening across the end markets, edge end markets, such as smartphones as well. Supply, Jim, is tight. And in calendar year 26, we see supply getting tighter. And our product position is good. We will, of course, continue to optimize our sales focused on return on our investments and disciplined investing in growing our supply as well.
All right, now, Sanjay, one of the things that you provided that I was most grateful for is why it's booming, because I think we'll certainly get to it, a belief that maybe AI has gotten ahead of itself. But you talked about 30-40% productivity uplift in selected Gen AI cases, code generation, growth of AI agents. So it seems like that you actually see strong demand. Demand is real, and there are actual things that are going to generate a lot of profit for people who buy your product.
Yes, you see, hundreds of billions of dollars of investment in AI infrastructure, and of course, memory is at the center of that. Over the next several years, there will be trillions of dollars invested in AI, and memory will actually benefit significantly from that as well. Will be a significant portion of those investments over the next several years. Micron, of course, is using AI in our operations day to day. We gave several examples of that. Manufacturing being a large example where we are using AI to accelerate yields, to accelerate quality ramp, bring products to market faster. And as you see, other corporations are beginning to leverage AI, and large hyperscalers are starting to monetize AI as well. So we are excited about the opportunities and really the critical enabler role that memory plays in AI. Without memory,